Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is going to be something kind of different that I want to be talking about in this video. This whole channel was based off of you guys getting started with cryptocurrency, showing you guys free methods, showing you guys strategies on how you can actually grow from free crypto, from faucets, into making them into passive incomes. Now we're going to bump it up a small, tiny bit, guys. We're going to start to leverage trade with cryptocurrency. So most of you inside of the comments have been asking me, Edward, can you show us strategies? Can you show us ways that you make money, or how can I make money quick? I'm about to show you some proof that I have been trading, and I've also been learning how to trade on the 1 minute chart inside of leverage trading, guys. And make sure to click the link down below so you guys can go check out my new YouTube channel of showing you, I'm going to teach you how you can actually leverage trade and how I do this without looking at too many different charts. And this is going to be a very simple strategy and a very profitable way you can make money with Bitcoin. So I have been showing you strategies like Honeygain, a passive money making application. But look, I have just withdrawn $20 from this right there, guys. So it says right here, where is it? Right there, payout, credit, or reservations. So this is around $20 right there, $20.09, and I'm trading it, or I'm taking it into Bitcoin, and I'm going to deposit it inside of an account that I'm about to show you in a minute. But this is a passive money making application that most of you guys know about already. I already showed you how you can get referrals on this. I already showed you how to use this. You just literally download it and forget about it, guys. Let it do its thing. So I've showed you methods and strategies on how to use Crypto Tab browser. Look at this. I showed you how to get referrals. I have around 3,000 now, 100 referrals inside of this account, and this is a simple way to make money right now, guys. Look, active referrals, 306 active referrals. I showed you exactly how you can actually get started doing this type of stuff, and I have around 3,136 at the moment as we speak, guys. The link's going to be down below for you guys to get started with Crypto Tab browser and Honeygain and all of the other passive money making platforms that I've talked about, like BetFury, like Upgo, like S'mores for your phone. And I showed you how to get referrals on these websites, guys. So now it's time to bump it up a notch and stop using free methods for a bit, because there's not really a lot of websites out there. Now it's time to show you something that I have been doing for quite some time. I've just been learning and trying to understand how the charts work, and now I think I figured something out for you guys. So make sure you watch this right now, guys. So this is the first thing, or BitMEX right here, guys. It is an exchange. We're not going to sign up under this. We're just using it for their free charts that we can just look at the 6 hour, and I'm about to show you proof, guys. Here's proof right here. So look, we have 2 hours. This is how I trade. I'm checking out the 2 hour chart to literally just see the direction that I'm going to be trading in. So it's all green right here. So today we're going to be trading on the green chart inside of this website right here. It is called Bit7 Leverage Trading, and I'm going to be leaving the link down below, guys. Check out my other YouTube channel. If I'm not uploading on this channel, I will be uploading on the other one, showing you live trades of me trading the 1 minute chart and showing you exactly how I trade and showing you the proof of when I join in on a trade and then when I sell. Right now, most people would actually try to join in right now and try to trade long right here, guys. That is not the way to trade. You just have to be patient and let the chart run its course. Now, what leverage trading is pretty much trading with more money than what you actually have. But whenever you lose, you don't lose that money plus more. You lose whatever is inside of your account, whatever you're trading with, guys. So that is the cool thing about trading. They're giving you the opportunity to trade with more money than what you have, but you can't lose any more money than what you're trading with. So I like to trade on the 50x. So I'm trading 50 times whatever my wallet is, or whatever I put inside of a trade on the 1 minute chart, and you can see all the 1 minute chart does is just pump and dump. Look at this, 6%, 7% right there, guys. Once we were in a negative 6 or 7%, now we're positive 8%, and this is live showing you how to trade on Bit7 with no safety nets. And I'll be talking about safety nets and other methods and strategies inside of Bit7 later on in this channel. I just want to show you guys how to make money right now. I just want to show you guys proof that this is actually worth looking at, and I'm making profit in front of your eyes. So we're going to continue up, and we're going to continue to make money right now in a couple of minutes. And this is what you can do on minute trading on Bit7 with leverage, any amount of crypto possible, guys. Look at this, 8%, keep going, 9%, come on, 10%, let's go. So there we go. We're gonna continue to push. Now it's gonna be a bigger push right here, guys. It might just stall right here for a bit, and the next candle's gonna push through, or it might just go all the way through right now with this candle. So let's see it push up. It's gonna push up even faster in a couple of seconds, and I'm telling it to push up in a couple of seconds because I want my money. We're already at 11% profit. Next candle's gonna push. There we go. A huge candle. Next one. The next one's gonna be a huge candle. Watch it. So now we have switched directions, and you can tell right now by this chart. So look at this. Now this is how I play on Bit7 leverage trading with these colors. Is I see all these huge reds, and look, we never passed the previous color. We never passed the previous wave. So look, it never passed it. It never passed it. It never passed it. And we dip all the way down here. It stopped at it right there. That green, it stopped, and look, it never passed it. Now we're passing it. We're getting a smaller red, a huger green. So now we know where the direction of the crypto is going, guys. 18% live right now in your face. Look at this, 18%. Boom. This is how you make money leverage trading on Bit7. 20%. Look at this gaze, guys. 21, 22. Now we're gonna have to bail out pretty soon. We need to actually save our cryptocurrency. The key in leverage trading is taking profits when you feel like you need to. So let's take profits. I'm fine with 19%, almost 20% right there, guys, in front of your guys' eyes. Now it's gonna reverse, and we're gonna go right back down to red. You can see how it's cooling down a bit. So now we have taken profits, and now it's time to upload this video for you guys to check out. Now pretty soon I'm gonna be telling you guys how I read these indicators, or how I read these candles, and how you can actually read them yourself. So now let's get on with the next video. So look at the Telegram, guys. I'm showing you live proof. Whenever I was trading last night, look, he says thank you, and I give him a link to Bit7. So if we just scroll up a tiny bit, I said last night before bed, and his name is Robert. Thank you, Robert, for being a part of the Telegram. So I'm showing him proof of me actually trading in real life, guys. And look at this right here. It says look good. I'll be giving 50x and 100x a miss at the moment till I'm good low, and I'm gonna start to teach you guys how to trade. I'm just showing you proof. If we scroll up a bit, you can see the direction right there that I'm telling them that it's gonna go. And if we scroll up a bit, you can see that it's already moving up like I predicted, guys. Look at this. That's the picture I showed them. This is this is this little piece right there, guys, and this is the profit. Go inside the Telegram and check it out so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And guys, I know this is a lot of information to take in, but join in on the Telegram, join in on the new YouTube channel that I've created for you guys to teach you how to leverage trade with cryptocurrency. If you're interested in making like 15% profit, 30% profit, 20% profit, and look at all of these pictures, guys, showing you the trades in real life. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.